this is a short video from a fine art shoot I did earlier this year when beautiful model Katey came down to Bournemouth. I honestly thought I'd taken more video footage, but I couldn't find many videos when I came to put this video together, so it's a pretty short video, but I thought it would still be nice to put it on YouTube. So we started this shoot in my front garden. It's pretty in spring, summer, because there's lots of flowers and lots of roses. So I put the model sort of in amongst all the bushes because I love a 3D effect where you've got volume behind her, in front of her. It really creates a 3D effect in the pictures. I shot these on my Canon 5D Mark III with my Canon 85mm 1.2, and as usual I had a Canon speed light and a softbox as my lighting. We had beautiful hair and makeup by Rebecca Ross of JTP Hair and Makeup, and I borrowed this beautiful yellow dress from a friend. So after doing the first part of the shoot in my front garden, we just went down to my local park. I've done some other videos there. It's one of my favourite places to shoot. It's really beautiful. We went there early evening, so it was quite quiet. There were some dog walkers, but evening is my favourite time to shoot because it's nice, soft light. We started over here because I love this kind of weird tree trunk. You know, the model could entwine with it and it looks really fairy tale. It was hard shooting and not getting cars in the background, but you know, if you choose the right angle, you can get a nice picture. Finally, we went to the other side of the park, which was really beautiful. We found this amazing purple bush of flowers and it was really nice. It was really soft evening light. It was starting to get dark and it really made it magical. We changed the look when we went down to the park just to get a bit of variety, and I think the grey dress really worked with these purple flowers. I rarely do close-up portraits, but I thought this was such a beautiful setting with those purple flowers that I wanted to do a close-up, and I had some fun with the editing as well. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I'm sorry it was a bit short. I really thought I'd taken more footage, but I don't know what I've done with them if I did. But I hope it gives you some inspiration to go out to your local park and do a fine art photo shoot. And this is a quick video just showing my editing process. So this is where I started with this image, and then I took it through these steps to get to my end edit. And if you'd like to learn Photoshop with me, then please do sign up to my course. I'll put the link below.